Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and very delicious vegetarian dish. It's going to be turnip with chana dal. Shalgam the sabzi with chana dal. In typical Punjabi, we call it Gonglu. Gongloo with Chana Dal. Shalgam, I'm going to peel it, wash it and cut into small pieces. And already I did it and put it into cold water. I'm not going to soak the Chana Dal, I'm just going to wash it with cold water prior to using it. 2 diced tomatoes. I'm not going to use onion in this sabji and dal combination. Please try it and you're going to like it. And we're going to use ginger. 2 tablespoons. No garlic either. 2 green chilies. Shalgam and chana dal. We're going to put it in a pressure cooker along with 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt is always according to taste. Cumin seed, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, 1 teaspoon each, and cilantro. We're going to make Shalgam Chana Sabzi with desi ghee, and this is strictly optional. But if you try with the desi ghee, it's going to be super delicious. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil. And let's start making our delicious Shalgam with Chana Dal. Get a pressure cooker. Dal is washed with the cold water. 1 cup water, salt, turmeric powder, mix it. Once it's nicely combined, and Shalgam I cut into big pieces and I will show you how to make it delicious. We're going to use hand blender. Now we're going to mix it again. We're going to put the pressure cooker lid on and we're going to give 2 whistles. We're going to start the gas and keep the gas on high, and we're going to put the pressure cooker on and we're going to wait for 2 whistles. We had our second whistle and I'm going to turn it off, and now we're going to let the pressure cooker cool down. The pressure cooker has been cooled down and I'm going to use hand blender. You can use food processor, and I'll open it. So if we look at right now, this is how it looks. Little amount of water. All the turnip, the shalgam and dal is fully cooked. And we're going to use the blender and we're going to blend it. Just like this. It's not going to take long, so I'm going to blend it. It doesn't take that long. We're going to move this one on the back burner and we're going to start the gas, and we're going to get another pot. I'll bring desi ghee. This is homemade desi ghee. I have posted a video on my channel, so please check it out. Once desi ghee is melted, bring cumin seed, jeera, and we're going to give like a 10 second. Bring ginger. Mix it. When you make a tadka with the desi ghee, it tastes really well. This is a new way of making shalgam with the chana dal. Cooking for 2 minutes and it's nicely done. And now we'll bring the green chili and mix it. Just like 10 seconds. And now we'll bring tomatoes. Mix it well, and we're going to cook our tomatoes until they get tender. So keep moving so it won't get burned. Cooking tomato for 3 minutes. It's nicely cooked. Our tadka is fully cooked. And I'll bring the gas to medium, and I'll bring the spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala. Mix it. We're going to cook our masala along with tadka for half minute. This is good. Now I'll transport shalgam into our tadka. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined with the tadka, cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes on medium gas. Cooking on a medium gas for 5 minutes. Mix it. So we'll bring the gas to low. And this is really important because when you're mixing it, the air pockets get created inside and it bubbles up. So be careful, don't burn yourself. I'll bring 1 teaspoon brown sugar. This is strictly optional. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, I will bring cilantro. Mix it well. The cilantro is nicely combined. I'll turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at how delicious Gongloo Shalgam Sabzi with Chana Dal. Let me share with you. Our delicious turnip with Chana Dal. Shalgam with Chana Dal is all ready, and prior to serving, add some butter. Please try this recipe, and this is one of the vegetarian delight. If you like this dish, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.